Everybody just taking a break from working on the inside of the motorhome. We're gonna work under the hood today. I'm gonna get some work done on the FICM, which is the fuel injection control module, which is located over here behind the air cleaner. So first thing we're gonna do is take out the air cleaner. So we got this piece undone, get that out of the way. Then we have access and open this up, and right off the hop, that is just disgusting. Look at all that stuff in there, and we just drove it 7 hours back from Ottawa like that's junk. Inside, like, there's half a tree worth of leaves in there, a feather, and some garbage, some candy wrappers. But it looked like the inlet tube was pretty clean, so we're good. We still need to get to the FICM, which is right here. So we have to get this coolant reservoir out of the way. Now we can see the FICM right here. I've removed the 3 wiring harnesses from it, and I put a bag over it just so that no debris gets into the connections. And then now there was 1 bolt, 2 bolts, and then a 3rd bolt down there. Now we're gonna see if we can get the FICM out. Okay, we've got the FICM removed. Now I'm gonna undo these Torx screws and see if there's any visible damage on the inside.